First, take a square piece of paper, fold the bottom edge up to the top edge. Unfold the previous step. Fold the right edge over to the left edge. Like this. Unfold it. Then flip the paper over to the other side. Rotate the paper. Now fold the bottom corner up to the top corner. Unfold it. Now fold the right corner over to the left corner. Make the crease well. Then unfold it. Flip the paper back over to the other side. Now bring the left and right corners together and down. Then push the top point down. Our square base is ready now.